Hi, in this video I will show you how to convert JSON to YAML file with app I have created. This is my website. I will leave link in the description. To find the app, I will type JSON to YAML. Yep. And click on add. Double click on the load to start the loading process. And click on the loaded archive, double click on the site to start the installation, click on more info. I'm getting this screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I click on run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and finish. You can see app installed on my computer. I have now shortcut on my desktop. I can this, minimize this. Now I can launch up. Conversion is like 3 steps process. In the first step I have to select one or many JSON file I want to convert. Let's select one JSON file, like this one, address JSON. Click on next. There is no options yet. Click on next, and I can preview YAML file that has been created for me from JSON data, or I can save a YAML file into some folder and specify name of the file if I want. This name is okay, and hit on save, and you can see that file has been saved into this, so I can go and open it and use it. Yeah, basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.